Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Nair and I am from Eicher Trucks and Buses. Eicher has set another benchmark in the Indian commercial vehicle industry by its all-new revolutionary BS6 solution UTEC 6. UTEC 6 is based on an expertise of supplying more than 1 lakh plus Euro 6 base engines to Volvo Group for the last 6 years. And these engines are operational in 41 different countries across the globe. The Eicher Pro series of BS6 heavy-duty tippers is available in a wide range from 18.5 ton to 35 ton GVW. And also, these vehicles are packed with industry-first innovative features as well. The heavy-duty tipper segment is rapidly evolving and becoming more demanding in terms of fuel efficiency, faster turnaround time and higher uptime, along with drivers' comfort and safety. Here comes Eicher with its offering, the Pro 6019 tipper, built on the philosophy to do more. It is a next generation 18.5 ton GVW 4x2 tipper, targeting segments like sand, stone quarry, earthwork, irrigation, iron ore, blue metal, coal and limestone. This vehicle is available in CBC as well as 3 fully built variants like 8.5 cubic meter box body, 10.5 cubic meter box body and 7 cubic meter rock body with a wheelbase of 3635 mm. Continuing with the core DNA of mileage ka bacha, Pro 6019 tipper is designed to deliver up to 5% better fuel efficiency in the category with proven VDX5 5.1 litre 4-cylinder engine with Volvo Group's engine management system and a vanadium based compact box type EATS. This engine delivers a maximum power of 210 HP at a lower RPM of 2200 and an enormous flat torque of 825 Nm at a wide range of RPMs. This vehicle comes with intelligent features like fuel coaching, which gives real-time driving guidance, and M-Booster Plus to optimize acceleration and maximize fuel efficiency. Further, energy-saving components like ESS compressor and Viscotronic fan helps to reduce parasitic and mechanical losses. Eicher Pro 6019 tipper is developed to deliver 5% better turnaround time, hence providing more trips with higher power to weight and torque to weight ratio, which helps in higher average speed, ensuring better pickup. The lower turning circle diameter, superior gradability and high torque at wheels ensures faster turnaround time. As downtime is the biggest cost for any transporter, Pro 6019 tipper delivers superior uptime through its robust driveline and reliable aggregates that ensures the truck is available all the time. Advanced onboard diagnostics displays audio-visual fault signals for preventive maintenance. 4-way engine protection system ensures engine safety and low maintenance with long and synchronized oil drain intervals. Fully equipped Eicher service network, site support and innovative uptime center ensures your truck is available maximum time to do more in your business. Pro 6019 tipper provides more comfort and enhanced safety for the drivers through its AIS 029 crash resisted cabin and all side mirrors for enhanced safety. Ergonomically designed cabin with improved suspension, cruise control, 6-way adjustable driver seat, tilt and telescopic steering, and optional HVAC or AC for fatigue-free longer drives. Intelligent driver information system is also provided to continuously guide the driver on truck's operational parameters. With our lifetime support solutions, we ensure peace of mind to all our customers through seamless experience from the time you consider buying an Eicher vehicle to the time you think of selling it. For any queries, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or call Eicher Care at 1800 102 3531.